Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Voice over Internet Protocol Solutions, or VoIP, specifically RingCentral and Grasshopper. If you're a business owner or someone interested in streamlining your communication systems, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, what exactly are RingCentral and Grasshopper? Well, both RingCentral and Grasshopper are popular VoIP solutions that allow businesses to make phone calls over the internet. These services offer numerous benefits such as cost savings, increased flexibility, and advanced features compared to traditional phone systems. However, there are some key differences between the two, so let's go ahead and dive deeper to see the differences. First of all, let's talk about RingCentral. RingCentral is a comprehensive cloud-based communications platform which is designed for business of all sizes. It offers a wide range of features including voice calling, video conferencing, and even contact center solutions. With RingCentral, you get a unified communications system which integrates seamlessly across devices, and it also allows for easy collaboration. One of the standout features of RingCentral is its scalability. Whether you have a small startup or a large enterprise, RingCentral can adapt to whatever your specific needs are. You can easily add or remove users, set multiple locations, and even integrate with popular business tools like Salesforce and Microsoft Office 365. Additionally, RingCentral's robust analytics and reporting capabilities provide valuable insights into call volumes, customer interactions, and team performance. This data empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions and improve their overall communication strategies. So that's pretty much RingCentral. Now let's go ahead and talk about Grasshopper. Grasshopper is a VoIP service specifically tailored towards small businesses and entrepreneurs. It focuses on providing a virtual phone system that allows users to have a professional business number with features like call forwarding, voicemail, transcription, and automated greetings. Grasshopper's main strength lies in its simplicity and also ease of use. It offers a straightforward setup process, which allows users to get up and running quickly without the need for complex configurations and fiddling around with a bunch of different settings. This then makes it a very attractive option for solopreneurs or small teams who value simplicity as well as professionalism. And on top of that, Grasshopper's mobile app allows you to manage your business calls on the go, which basically means that you will never miss an important call even when you're not in the office. Grasshopper's mobile app also offers features like call routing, call screening, and even the ability to send and receive text messages using your business number. Well, now that we have an overview of both RingCentral and Grasshopper, let's go ahead and talk about the main differences between the two. Firstly, RingCentral offers a broader set of features, and it's better suited for larger businesses or those with very complex communication needs. It also provides advanced collaboration tools, video conferencing capabilities, and integrations with popular business applications. Grasshopper, meanwhile, is a much simpler solution targeting smaller businesses and entrepreneurs. While it may lack some of the advanced features that RingCentral has, it does also make up for it with its user-friendly interface, its mobile app, and its virtual phone system, which is focused on professionalism. Another significant difference is the pricing structure of both of the solutions. RingCentral typically follows a subscription-based model with various plans that's based on the number of users and as well as required features. Meanwhile, Grasshopper has a tiered pricing plan which is based on the number of minutes included, as well as additional features. So the question still remains, which VoIP solution is better, specifically better for you? Well, as usual, that answer depends on your specific needs, as well as the size of your business. If you are a large organization or you require advanced collaboration features, integrations, and robust analytics, then RingCentral may actually be a better choice for you. It offers a comprehensive suite of communication tools to basically streamline your business operations based on whatever you need. On the other hand, if you're just a small business owner or you're an entrepreneur seeking just a simple and professional phone system that has essential features, then Grasshopper can be a great fit for you. Its main focus is on the ease of use as well as the mobile accessibility, which can provide the flexibility that most smaller businesses actually need. Ultimately, it's essential to evaluate your business requirements, and you also have to consider your budget based on your business. Of course, you also can try out demos or trial versions of both solutions so that you can see which one aligns better with whatever you need for your business. So, whether you are a big business or enterprise, or if you are just a small business or an entrepreneur, then these tools can definitely help you with your VoIP needs. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up our comparison between RingCentral and Grasshopper. Hopefully, this video has provided you with the valuable insights into these two VoIP solutions, and hope that you make an informed decision based on what we have provided for you here. And of course, if you did find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.